Hi, to change ringtone on your Redmi Note 14, just open settings and here find the step sound and vibration. After that, tap on ringtone and now you got many options for the ringtone sound. For example, let's choose this party category and let's listen this fairy ring. So that is how it will sound. To set it as a current ringtone, I would need to tap this bell icon and confirm to select this ringtone. Now you can see this information applied successfully. Also, what we can do here is we can check this folder pre-installed, also choose ringtone, and now we can find many default options for the ringtone sound. For example, we can set here this breeze. And now it would be immediately applied. And also, let's go back. We can set custom song as a ringtone. For that, you need to choose this folder, choose local, then select app from which you want to find your song, for example, music. And here, if you got any songs installed on this device, you need to simply tap it to select and tap OK to confirm, and it would be immediately set as your current ringtone. But let me select something from audio files. For that, I'm gonna just tap it and on the bottom tap OK. And now it appears in this tab my ringtones, so I would need to tap this green button apply and confirm. And now let's check whether it's applied or not. For that, we need to return back in settings. And yes, now we can see the name of this song on the ringtone tab. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.